Chapter 3, Animal Adaptation. Let's learn about adaptations to habitat, adaptations for protection, adaptations for food, animals in danger, special adaptations. Animals are an integral part of our world, but all animals are not found at all places. They live at different places. Animals living in different surroundings adapt themselves to survive in their surroundings. This process of adjustment to their surroundings by the development of suitable characters to improve the chance of survival is called adaptation. Animals can exhibit adaptations in their living places, food habits, and protection from their enemies. Infobit. The living place of an animal is called its habitat. Adaptations to habitat. Animals can also be grouped according to the place they live in. Animals are found everywhere, in the plains, on trees, in the deserts, on the mountains, and in water. Based on where animals spend a large part of their time, we classify them into terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal, and aerial animals. Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals live on land. They have legs to move with. Their breathing system takes in oxygen from the air. Their sense organs and nervous system are very well developed, so they can sense any change taking place around them. Animals in plains. Most animals which live on hard land surface like forests and grasslands have strong legs to run fast. This helps them to catch their prey or run away from their enemies. Flesh-eating animals like lions and tigers have strong legs to run fast and catch their prey. Grass-eating animals like horses and cows have toes in the form of hoofs which help them move on soft and wet land. Rabbits and moles are burrowing animals. They have sharp claws to dig the ground and make burrows. Snakes live in narrow holes in ant hills, trees, or holes made by other animals. Snakes do not have legs. They move by pushing against the ground with their tough scales. Animals in mountain. Animals like mountain goats and yaks living in the cold mountain areas have a thick coat of hair to protect themselves against the severe cold. Animals in deserts. Desert place does not receive much rain. Desert areas are hot and dry. Animals living in desert are adapted to survive with little water. They get water from their food. Animals like camel drink a lot of water at a time. They can live without food and water for many days. Animals in polar areas. Polar areas are very cold areas. Snow and ice cover the polar areas most of the year. Animals living in these places look different in each season. Many grow heavy fur in winter. They shed much of their fur in summer. These animals have also heavy fat deposits under their skin which protect them from climate. Polar bear, musk ox, seal, walrus, penguin are adapted to live in these areas. Arboreal animals. Land animals that live mostly on trees are called arboreal animals. They have sharp claws to climb up and down the branches and usually have strong muscular limbs and a tail for holding on the branches. For example, monkey and koala bear. Aerial animals. Animals that can fly in the air are called aerial animals. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, eagle fly in the air. Birds have wings to fly with. They also have hollow bones which make their body light and help them fly. Infobit. That is also an aerial animal. It is the only mammal that can fly. Aquatic animals. Animals which live in water are known as aquatic animals. For example, octopus, turtle, fish, shark, seahorse, etc. Most of them breathe through gills which animals like whales breathe through lungs. Aquatic animals have fins and paddles which help them to swim. Amphibians. The name amphibians means on both sides because most amphibians live on land and breathe in water. Frogs, toads and salamanders are amphibians. They have small waist, no neck and flat head. This helps them to swim. Their skin is thin and moist. They have long and powerful legs to be able to jump. Their bulging eyes help them to see under water. They have a long and sticky tongue to catch food easily. Adaptations for food. Animals eat plants or other animals. Parts of their body are adapted to find food and eat it. The shape of their teeth depends on the food they eat. Herbivorous. The animals that eat only plants are known as herbivorous. They have sharp teeth in front which help them to bite and cut food. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back which help them to grind the food and then swallow. For example, cow, zebra, horse and camel etc. Animals like squirrels and rabbits have razor sharp teeth which help them to gnaw and bite hard nuts. Carnivorous. The animals which eat flesh are known as carnivorous. They have long canines which help them to tear flesh easily. They hunt their prey to fill their stomach. For example, lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Omnivorous. Animals that eat plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Monkey, ape, deer and human beings are omnivorous. Some human beings are strictly herbivorous. Example, they are vegetarians. They eat only plant products. All herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous need to chew and digest their food. Infobit. Sometimes birds have parasites on their bodies. To get rid of the parasites, they go and disturb an ant's nest. The ants run all over the bird's body and when they find the parasites sticking to the bird's body, they eat them. Parasites. Parasites are small creatures which live on or inside the body of other animals or hosts. They depend on the hosts for their food. Ticks, fleas and some mosquitoes suck blood from the hosts. Worms like hookworms, tapeworms and roundworms live inside the body of animals and take their nutrition from the host body. Scavengers. Some animals like vulture and hyena eat the flesh of dead animals. Such animals are known as scavengers. Infobit. Giant ant eaters feed on termites as well as ants with the help of tongues which are up to half a meter long. Their long hair and thick skin protects them from the bites of angry ants and termites, defending their nest. Special adaptations. Some animals show special types of adaptation to survive in their environment. Camouflage, migration, and hibernation are special forms of adaptation which a few animals use to survive in their habitat. Camouflage. Some animals have the ability to merge with their surroundings. By doing this, they protect themselves from their enemies. Animals like zebra, tiger, and leopard hide themselves because of their skin color. Garden lizard, chameleon, can change its color according to its surroundings. This phenomena of change of the body color according to the surroundings is called camouflage. Migration. Some animals move in large numbers from cold places to warm places in search of food. This is called migration. Birds like Siberian crane, Arctic tern are our guests. They migrate every winter, flying thousands of kilometers over lands and seas to come to our country. Hibernation. Frogs, snakes, lizards and many insects survive the winter by going into a long period of rest. They don't eat during this period. They keep lying in a safe place like a cave, hole or burrow to save energy. This period of winter sleep is called hibernation. Adaptations for protection. Animals have developed various ways to protect themselves from their enemies. Some animals stay in groups to protect themselves, for example, buffalo, fish, birds, and elephants. Some animals have the ability to move very fast in order to escape from their enemies. They have strong legs to show fast movements. Deer and kangaroo escape this way. Rhinoceros and snails have a hard shell. When faced with danger, they go into the shell. A porcupine has sharp spines on its body for its protection. Underwater animals also have ways of protection. The cuttlefish has an ink sac on its body. When it senses danger, it releases the ink, making the water blue. The enemy is unable to see anything and the fish swims to safety. Infobit. A bark mantis is barely visible against the tree it clings to. Bark mantises can also stay still for long periods, making it even harder for predators to see them. Animals in danger. Several animals are in danger because we are cutting down and are destroying their homes and their food. As a result, many animals are in danger of dying out. Some animals, like the dodo, are already extinct, and those like the giant panda are declared endangered, in danger of getting extinct. Key points. Animals living in different surroundings adapt themselves to survive in their surroundings. Terrestrial animals have lungs and well-developed sense organs. Animals living in cold places have a coat of thick furs and blubbers to beat the cold. Many animals and birds living in cold places migrate to warmer places in winter. Some animals hibernate in the winter. Arboreal animals have long and strong limbs with sharp claws to climb the trees. Many animals have wings to fly in the